Hi my beautiful people, how are you guys doing tonight? I'm Birdie Joe, back with another video. You guys, tonight we're having a seafood boil. And I actually have some colossal king crab legs in here. I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting like all my life for this to get here, okay? We have lobster tails. And they have the shell on, same as the shrimp, shell on. Then we have corn, we have potatoes, we have eggs, and we have cucumbers. And they're all in that bowl. There's sauce in the bowl, although you can hardly even see it, I feel like. But it's in there. And it's the leftover reload sauce from the last video I did with it. So I also have some rice here. And I have a little concoction of red juice. And yeah, we have a red theme tonight, guys. Red theme. Yeah, so, you know, I like playing around with colors. Okay, let's get to this, though. Like, seriously, y'all know that I want to go right for this. But seeing as it's the biggest and most exciting part of the boil, I am going to eat a couple things first. So let's get some shrimp. Okay. Ooh, got me already. Guys, it's the weekend. You guys have any good plans? Yummy. And I do have some lime and lemon wedges in here. Okay, some more. Potato. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god, look how big that knuckle is. Oh my gosh, like honestly. A little piece came out. Let's get this little piece. That was fat. Let's not eat that part. Plus I got some scissors. I learned from the best. And you got to be using the scissors. Some good scissors too, guys, because sometimes these shells are deadly. Like, can you guys see how big that is? I feel like you can't even see it. My whole hand, like, wraps around it. Okay. Okay, I know there's some dirty-minded folks out there that are just, like, giving me the look. Pun not intended on that one. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. You can tell I'm excited, hey? Look at that slab of meat. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're doing it. We're doing it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's go in for a big bite here. Ooh. Get some of that good, good sauce. You guys see that? Oh my gosh. In heaven right now. Like, I don't even know how to hold this thing. And on there. Here we go. Ready? Oh my god. Mm. Oh, like, I'm so happy right now. Oh my gosh, you guys, you don't even know. You guys, this king crab is from Mally's in Spruce Grove. And for anybody who is in Canada or in Alberta even, it's accessible to you. I don't know how far they do deliver, but these guys deliver this to me, to my door. And they're such nice guys. They're so amazing. And I mean, the seafood is pricey, but you get what you pay for, you know. And you don't just get a tiny little amount either, you know. It's worthwhile for sure. And go get you some. This is colossal Alaskan king crab. It's so big. Like, honestly, it looks much bigger in person. Like, mm. And I use it sparingly too. You know, a couple eggs in this seafood boil, a couple eggs in the next. Because, I mean, I don't have the money to be, you know, spending, you know, a few $100 on one meal, right? So anytime I use seafood, I divvy up, you know, a few bags of the stuff. A portion for the seafood boil, a portion for the next week's seafood boil, whatever. Freeze them, and then, you know, pull them out when it's time to do it. And it lasts me that way. Gotta be smart at the same time, otherwise they'll break ya. Going in for more. Come out and play. Oh my god. You guys see that chunk of meat? That's all king crab. Like, oh my gosh. If you guys ain't getting this food, you're missing out. Like, I just piled onions and garlic and salt on there. Okay, ready? Mm. This is the topper meal to finish the topper week. It has been a time, you guys. I'm so excited. So excited. I'm so excited, you guys. So we get to start planning our wedding again. Oh my gosh. We're doing a destination wedding. And we've been in debt and stuff, so it's been super unattainable to even really start planning. So I didn't really let myself get excited about it yet because I wasn't able to start planning it. And now we're finally at a spot where we can see the light at the end of the tunnel. And by that I mean debt. And we get to start planning our wedding. My dream wedding. And like, I'm almost in shock. Like, I'm so excited, but I'm also still like, is this real? We've been engaged for about a year and a half. We got engaged in Cuba last April. So not 2019, 2018. And yeah, it was incredible. We went out there for friends' weddings, for a friend's wedding. And he was in the wedding party, and he waited until the end of the trip, like well after they had gotten married. You know, pretty much our last day there, he proposed to me on the beach, and it was just the most magical, amazing moment ever. And I'm so glad that he did it the way he did, because it didn't take away from our friends who had just got married, you know, like it wasn't before the wedding, it wasn't, you know, during or anything inappropriate like that. It was the end of the trip, all of the wedding stuff had been done, and, you know, it was like our last hurrah on, you know, at the resort. And I'm so impressed with how he did it. It was amazing. Excuse me. Goodness. We had talked about getting married before that point. Like, we talked about it for a while. So we had an idea, you know, we knew what each other wanted. And we both wanted a destination wedding. Now to pick the destination, that's a really hard part because there's so many beautiful places out there. Like, how do you pick? We have it narrowed down. I'm not going to show you guys all those details. But we have it narrowed down to a couple places. We still have to talk to the travel agent. Because we want to go as a group with our wedding party and our guests and our family, you know. Got like the group deal kind of thing. But yeah, it's gonna be a beach wedding for sure. That rice is so good. It's basmati. I just put some of the seafood sauce over top of it. So good. See, like that. It's so what's the word? Resilient? No. Whatever. It goes with everything. It's amazing. So let's get into the lobster tail though. See the lobster tail. Maybe I could do something like this for a thumbnail. You know, I gotta try to figure something cool out. No seed. No, thank you. So I definitely want a videographer. I want a photographer, of course. And of course it's going to be a kid-friendly resort and wedding. We're going to have our kids there, of course, and they're probably going to be in the wedding party. I mean, they're so dang cute, and they kind of got to be. I could just see our sons, little bow ties. And our daughter, oh, some, I don't know, some sweet little dress. I don't know, but it's so exciting. She'll be just under 2 then. And then the rest of our kids will be 3, 7, and 10. Like, holy moly. Yeah, guys, we have 4 kids. Yeah. It's a crazy household, for sure. So rewarding, though. And it's a blended family, and I love the way our family is, like how it's blended. We both have had our first son with different people, and they were 6 and 3 when we got together, I believe. And then we had 2 together. Well, 3 pregnancies. But our first pregnancy together, it was really early in the relationship. And we lost the baby. The big heartbreak of my life. but it was hard. And I mean, I don't think it ever stops being hard, but you know, we got through it together. And then when we felt ready, we wanted to start trying. We got pregnant with Ezra, and he's our rainbow baby. And he's a wild child. He is so crazy and wild and adorable. I'm just so in love with all of our kids. They're just so amazing. They're so unique. And just so sweet and cuddly and loving. My firstborn, our 6-year-old, he's got some behavioral issues, but you know, we're working through them, and you know, I mean, he's a kid. Lots of kids, I mean, if not all, I mean, have something, right? They all do, so. He shares my mini-me, though. The boy's my twin. But yeah, so we had Ezra. And then, a little over a year later, we had Phoenix. And I was like, hey, whoa, Nelly, no more. We're done here. No more babies. You know, if I had the mental strength and the finances, I could probably have 10 kids. But mentally, I just can't handle it, you know. Pregnancy is really hard on me. I've gotten some postpartum depression. And I feel like it would be selfish if I were to keep having them. Like, it's selfish of me for our other kids, because I just feel the more we have, the more overwhelming it is, and the more I struggle, and the less I'm able to be the best mom that I can be. So this baby factory is closed. Oh. Some fatty meat in here. And I keep trying to eat it, but you know what? The fatty stuff, it doesn't taste that great. There's another bone in there, but that's okay. That's some nice meat. Oops. Okay. I am like doing good on this bowl. I'm gonna finish this whole thing. There it is. Yeah, it was in there. So in 2021, our family gets to be joined. Officially, and on paper and everything. so excited. Yeah, I'm very, very excited. I mean, I have some nervousness too. So we're traveling with all our kids, and you know, like the simplest trip to the grocery store can be a struggle. So you know, just imagine like a many hour long plane ride. This rice is so good. I've missed rice. Every once in a while, but I don't know, this particular rice is so good. It's always so fluffy and just perfect. Okay. Let's do another lobster tail. Rock lobster? It's better if you cut both sides. There we go. Finally figured it out on my last lobster. Oh, I just have a tickle up there. Hopefully I'm not getting cold. Why you no cooperate with me? Why? Good meat. So yeah, my mom spoiled me to the bone. She came back from her trip away and brought a bunch of my favorites. Some exotic fruits. Like, I've always been so into the exotic fruits. Like, even as a kid, my mom would ask me, like, what I wanted. And I still liked, like, oranges and apples and bananas, but they weren't my favorite. Like, my top choices would be, like, watermelon, raspberries, cherries, you know, star fruit, dragon fruit, melons, all kinds of berries. Yeah, that's the kind of stuff that I was into. You know, the more pricey stuff, of course. Pomegranates, I love pomegranates. Oh my gosh. I'm over that fight, but there's some nice meat there. Even the claw looks really big to me. Ow. Almost got myself. Come on. save this one for last. So I'm gonna finish this up. I have one more shrimp and one more egg, and then we do that. Yes, that. Excuse me. Last shrimp. Mm. To leave that up in the frame, my bad. Okay. Let's grab a leg. Ooh. Meat right there. Oh my god. Yeah, baby. Yeah, that's some fat. Fat sneaking in there. Mm. If I could. Sometimes people can do this, and I've never understood how. No. Oh! I did it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Seriously, you guys. Go get you some. Go get some Mally's seafood. Spruce Grove. It's by Edmonton. Ooh, come right up. Mmm. Oh my god. Literally nothing but sauce left. Well, and onions and garlic, of course. Oh, that was so good. It's perfect amount of food. Still have a little bit of rice left, but oh, that was good. So satisfying. Okay, you guys. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you hit the like button if you did. share with your friends. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. And make sure you subscribe. Hit that red button and hit the notification bell. Ding. I don't know why I like doing that, but it's just fun. Yeah, and set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys have a great night, and I will be seeing you very, very soon. Love ya.